Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be playing this new game called Slap Battles, was it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Slap Battles.
I've never played this game in my life. I'm just playing on my brother's PC because our parents caught us. Well, me and Josh aren't even playing on our home devices because we got caught bunking a lesson and our parents took away our devices. So I'm actually recording this on my brother's.
Yeah, I'm dying with you putting it on my friend, another brother.
Bro, you know Riley? Because I checked the store before, you know Riley?
Yeah.
If you go into store, he used Mum's credit card and bought 5 times slaps. And that's 399 Robux a month.
No, he didn't.
I know.
No.
What? Wait, I've got 20,000 hands. What the hell?
I've got 945.
Bro, what's Riley been doing, bro?
Wait, I found a can of beans.
Wait, what?
Touch it. Get on the can of beans.
Let me see this. Kill streak only, normal, default. Where are you going?
You go on the stairs.
What? There's a knife. Lies here, guide. 210221, 280221. He lasted a week. He wasn't that helpful, to be honest. Yeah, I always skip the guides. There's a sign. You need 20,000 slaps to put the error glove. I have 20,000 hands. Oh, that's slaps probably.
I'm kicking it, but nothing's happening. Did anything happen for you?
Oh yeah, I got a badge.
Oh, I have. I think I need.
Maybe we already got it. Maybe your brother already got it or something.
Slaps, because it says you need 20,000 slaps to equip the arrow glove. Maybe it'll give me an arrow glove if I get 21,000 slaps and tap it. What's this glove here?
Huh? Is that the arrow glove? I'm gonna click it. Right.
No.
It's gone like gold.
It's gone red for me. I need 21,000 slaps to click it, then I get it. Probably.
Wait, I clicked it. Cause look at all the other gloves. So these cost, yeah, this one cost 100k. Oh! I'm using the arrow glove. They've got abilities and stuff. I don't even know what this one does, but I've seen my brother play this before. Lots of them have different abilities, and some of them are passive, some of them are actually offensive. Let me have a look. What does it do? So the E ability kills me. What the hell?
Wait, if I went into the red portal and I'm playing against someone.
Ow! Whatever that was, it was very painful.
If I press E, I stun people.
Well, that's cool. I'm gonna hit this guy. Ow! This guy keeps bombing me. This is not... Actually, I can't say that. I'll get demonetized. Never mind.
I'm gonna stun this person.
I haven't even slapped someone yet. People are targeting me. What's wrong with being a Duolingo owl? Ow!
Maybe it's a glove. Maybe it's a glove really good glove.
Whoa! If I slap someone, they disappear.
That's probably why it's targeting
you. Maybe my glove is so OP that they can't even take it. Oh wait, there's an Uno reverse guy. I want to slap him. I heard, my brother told me, if someone's got that weird outline on the Uno reverse and you slap them, it reverses whatever your glove does on them. Yeah, probably. Wait, Josh, I'm gonna do it to you. Tell me what you see. Wait. Wait, hang on. Come over to me. Tell me what you see, okay? What do you see?
I just spawned outside the map and died.
That's weird, but it's OP. Ultra? I'm gonna check out this side. There's oh, these are all the badges. The badge items. Let me see the ones my brother's got. That's cool. my ability is so bad on this though. Like my ability kills me.
My ability is so good. If I'm on the edge of the map, I think, and someone tries to slap me, if I press E, I'll stun them.
That's an advantage for you, but if you're against me, it does nothing.
I'm trying to get out with
Someone
someone.
says, "Come on, Duolingo."
Yeah, it works.
Wait, no. Wait, we should be a team. You stun people on the edge, and then I error them.
That's actually a sick power, though.
I know.
Like, just stun. Lure people to the edge. Stun them. Get stun. Oh. I stun someone on the edge, but it still hits.
Wait, so don't hold anything, and then when someone comes over, stun them, and then I'll error them off the map. Brains. Right, I'm gonna stay nearby. Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Never mind. Oh, he's got the Ultra Instinct thing, I think. Whoever that guy is, I don't even know how he did that. Someone's got 500,000 hands.
I think it slaps.
Something like that.
Because on this site, it's like you need 20,000 slaps or 21,000 slaps.
Ow! That guy just went green and I died.
Maybe he has the Ultra Instinct glove or something. He slapped me, man.
Stun someone! Ow, not me.
Oh, I'm enjoying this competition.
Me too, what's this? Whoa, there's a lot of people here, what the hell? Josh, there's a fake version of you, he's an exact mimic.
No!
I'm targeting this kid.
I mean, I have darker skin.
He's still an exact mimic. We will kill this kid.
I'm that big.
We're gonna kill him. I will help you.
So let me. You're gonna kill me by accident.
Nah, I've got my graphics on, everything's fine.
You just slapped yourself.
No, I know who's who. Oh, he's got a J in his name as well. It's really... Oh, it's Jodlo. I can see which one I'm fighting. Jodlowski, I'm fighting him. I've nearly got him off. Oh, some guy saved him.
Wait, I wasn't here. I just using this fast.
Yeah, I've been doing that. I noticed that. Like, I was doing my ability. I was just testing it out and I was going really quick.
I just know it's like very fast.
Your mimic is gonna die!
Ow. I got one across the map.
Oh, I got so close to killing your evil mimic.
In our platform, it was smaller.
Wait, what? Why has it got so small?
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Like,
Maybe it's easier to kill me.
yeah, maybe it gets easier towards the end or something.
Yeah, I almost just died. Yeah, you killed me.
Wait, what? Oh, I thought you were the mimic because you've both got J's in your name.
I told you not to go after the mimic.
Don't worry, I'll error glove him now. Don't worry. If that's the mimic, I will be furious. No, it wasn't. Okay. Right, stun the mimic and then I'll finish off the mimic. Right, don't do it till I'm nearby.
But I'll stun you as well.
I won't stay like in the radius of the mimic. There. Oh, you bloody... This kid from behind slapped me. Oh, I got killed by a... What glove is that? Diamonds? You killed the mimic?
Yeah, he flew on a mountain.
Huh?
I just stunned him and hit him off and he flew on top of a mountain.
Is that the Chain Island?
Yeah, he just flew on top of it. I hit him with a chain. But there's a plate going around.
That my brother was telling me about how he died at 599 seconds on it, and you had to be on there for like 600 seconds and you got a cool badge. Eventually, he got it in the end.
Yeah, I think our other brother did that as well.
Oh my god! Why did you stun me? Pardon?
There's another person coming up.
Yeah, but why did you bother stunning me? What's the point?
So I could have stunned him and hit him off.
But you still killed me in the process. So now I have full right to get my revenge.
No.
I will just use the hando and pull you back.
Yeah, I had full right to do that. You was coming to kill me.
I now have full right to kill you twice.
The mimic is camping up top and hitting everyone off.
I'm not helping you with that mimic anymore, bro.
Okay, you come near me, I will.
It's a joke, bro. I'm gonna kill the mimic as well. You're the better Josh. He's a fake.
His name's not even Josh, he's called Jod. Why?
But he's got a J in his name. He's got a J and an O. He will die for it.
Just why the name Jod? Like, what is the need for Jod?
Did you just die from the mimic?
No. Another person killed me. I see you.
Don't kill me.
Joe, once I get up there, I'm gonna stun him, because then he can't hit me off.
There's a table flip.
Table flip.
It's a glove where a table kills you. Oh, I'm up here. Whoa, this is a beautiful place. Get up, quick! Why'd you stun me?
A person was about to kill me.
Then get up. That's a dodgy position. Just try and jump back, maybe. Just click the jump button. Unlucky. But you killed a guy on your way down.
Yay. Yeah, I found a cat really torch.
Everyone's trying to get up here and they're dying. This is just so satisfying.
If anyone steps on the chain of me on it, I'm just gonna stun them.
Careful!
Wait.
Oh, he's using like a space glove. He just falls in.
It still does not. I forgot to jump.
You're so smart. No! This kid's a sweat. Shit. Please. There we go. He's gone. What? He's dead, but he's still hitting me with Ultra Instinct. What? Oh, there's a hacker. Wait, should I go up there with an invisibility glove?
Wait, can you get an invisibility glove?
Well, some guy just did it with this glove, and then I'm just going to copy him. I'll do the same thing.
Do you have enough slaps?
Yeah, it was only like 500. Oh, it's going to be so hard to climb this with all my screen being red. Some guy just killed me! Like, Kiki Lord. That noise when I slap someone with it is so annoying.